Adobe Illustrator has always been one of the most common tools that we've seen used to design custom labels, custom stickers, and more. And it makes sense because it's probably the most user-friendly platform that still allows you to work with vector files, which just means that your artwork or your design won't get pixelated or blurry when you zoom in or make it bigger. We have a whole video explaining raster and vector files, but in this video, we're going to go through the actual process of taking your designs out of Adobe Illustrator and getting them printed on custom stickers or labels in whichever size, shape, and material you need. And vice versa, we'll also show you how to take your designs from Maestro and export them to be edited in Adobe Illustrator as well. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe for more business and labeling tips. Let's take a look. So if you already have your label design and you want to organize your labels into sheets in Illustrator, here's how you do it. On the page for your blank template, you can download a PDF of the size that you're using. Then you want to open that in Adobe Illustrator and you should see your full sheet with all of the even blank spaces and shapes for you to put your design in. Then you're going to open your design and go ahead and align it to one of the boxes. It can be tricky to get this right depending on your shape, but just make sure you take an extra minute to get your alignment perfect. Once you have your design in that spot, you want to go to Effect and then scroll down to Distort and Transform. Depending on how many columns and rows of labels you have, you might have to do this process a few times. But you can take the horizontal and vertical centering values from the blank label templates page at OnlineLabels.com and input them into the Move section of this Transform Effect panel. At the bottom of this panel where it says Copies, you want to insert the number of rows on your sheet, -1 for the original. Press OK and this will duplicate your labels into the needed positions and you can adjust as needed. Just make sure you have your labels perfectly aligned before printing. If you created your design in Illustrator and you want to export it into Maestro Label Designer or submit it to us to just get it custom printed right away, here's how you do that. All you have to do is export your design out of Illustrator as a PNG, JPEG, or even a PDF file. Then just go to OnlineLabels.com and navigate to Maestro Label Designer, where you're able to upload your own designs and edit them onto any of those blank templates we mentioned earlier, no matter the size or shape. Once you get your design in there and aligned, all you have to do is go to the Print Labels button out of Maestro Label Designer to either download the already formatted PDF of sheets that you can print yourself at home, or you can go straight to the custom printing page where we can print them for you. Whether you order blank or custom printed, your order should be shipped in 2 to 3 business days, and you'll have everything you need to take your designs straight out of Illustrator and get them printed on custom stickers, custom labels, or really anything else you need. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more business and labeling tips. Go ahead and check out the links in the description for any help you might need, and leave a comment with any questions. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.